so today I'll be showing you all of my fidgets inside. It's inside a bin. So yeah, we have this putty first. It's called Putty Love. I got this at Walmart, and yeah, I really like it. It has some hearts in it. So that it's like clear putty, see-through. It says you could stretch it, but in my watch, it doesn't. Like, look. But it's okay. I mean, I give it like 10 out of 10. So, yeah. We're starting with the slimes first. No. This is a slime from my friend. It's this cloud slime. It's green. And I know she put in paint in here. That's why it was sticky when she gave it to me because she added paint in it. And yeah, this is how much she gave me. Also, my friend has this one too. She had it first, and then I asked my friend to have some too. So yeah. Probably gonna start with the slimes first, then the like most like fidgets. So yeah, I'm gonna move these fidgets. No, not the fidgets, the slime here. Okay, I'm gonna keep those there. I'm just gonna keep these next. Okay, this is like the cloud slime. It's green and super good. This is a second shot because the last time did this, it actually paused. So yeah, I didn't get to delete that part though. So yeah, because I don't really edit my videos, so I have to do like each time. Doesn't really poke. I know. Well, it kind of doesn't. Maybe because it doesn't poke because it's too small. But this next one, I got this at Walmart the same day as these. This is called Sparkling Strawberry and Sparkling Watermelon. We're gonna play with the Sparkling Watermelon first. This is kind of liquidier than the strawberry one. Just because I felt it already in the shop. I felt it last video. I didn't want to put it in the table. But yeah, it's jiggly. It has like pretty glitters in it. It smells like watermelon. And I really like it. If you don't know, slime considers fidgets. So yeah, I feel like I have more slime than fidgets. Like, yeah, I have like a bunch of fidgets. Not fidgets. I have a bunch of slime, more slime than fidgets. I mean, who will win? Fidgets or slime? Comment down below. Do you like slime better or fidgets? I like fidgets. I like them both. But I think fidgets are going to win because all I'm finding is usually fidgets. So, yeah. But also, fidgets can break, but if you can put them together, that's good. So they're not going to be like out. Like stress ball can break. And then this next one is a strawberry. It smells like strawberries. And it also has glitter. Wait, what color glitter? That's my question every single time when I get these. Pink. They have, there's pink glitter. Wait, let me check the other one. I think there's green glitter inside. Yeah, there's green glitter inside here. Ew, ew. Gross. It's like jiggly slime stuck to me. my best friend, actually loves jiggly slime, so she's gonna like these. But this is a strawberry. It is like, she's gonna love the watermelon. So yeah, I really like this, and yeah, I really like it. I got this at the same day as the Putty Love. Next one, we have the Teal Slime Fluff Llama Corn Orb Slimy. It's like shaped as a cupcake around to the side. It's like texture. I'm trying to find ASMR pods. Comment down below if you can find them at Winnipeg. Or can you like find like pop tubes in Winnipeg or tangos? Comment down below if you live there. Can you try like tell me where to go? But like, yeah. Like, or if you don't know where to go, then I'll just order on Amazon. I only ordered on Amazon once. Like, only once. Like, once. I only ordered once. So I like ordered slime. I normally do slime collections, but I'm over slime. AKA not. I kind of buy store-bought slimes instead, not like the slime ingredients anymore. Because it's so hard to find because the glue is like very expensive in different stores. So my parents always go to Dollar Tree or Dollarama, but yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna find some other slimes because I know I have a lot. And then we'll go to the real fidgets, like these. Oh, that was just a bunch of like homemade fidgets. I don't have that much homemade fidgets. Monkey noodles. These. Dog. And this. But I'm gonna get with the slime. Okay, we got this one. It's this spider putty. Looks so cool. Sorry for the background noise, but it's like this purplish putty. It like pokes. Wait, let me get close. Alright, so I shut the door. Now we're gonna have some silence. But like, this is a pretty jelly slime. I would say it's jelly, but I really like it though. The spider, it came with the spider. It's right now in the plant right now. I'm gonna get it. Wait. Like, also when you squish it, like. Ew. Oh shit. The spider is hiding in the plant. Here's the spider. I don't put it in the slime because it's like inside the plant already, and the plant has dirt, so I don't want like dirt inside my slime. So, or foil. I opened the door. Well, that's okay. If you hear any background noises, don't mind it. Yeah, that's a hard thing. These little tiny little pieces, like some little chunks of the slime whenever you stretch it and it's jelly, it comes out. So let's put it in. It was kind of hard putting it back inside the container because it was like jelly and like hard to like put back, but it's good. It's good now. Now I have this, this one here. This foam slime I got from my friend again, the same person the person that gave me this. It's like this foam. If you hear any background noise like that, don't mind it. My mom's trying to clean the basement because we didn't even get it fixed yet. Over a year. Didn't even come yet, but yeah, here it is. I would say it's good. I would give it a 10 out of 10. It used to be in a Ziploc bag because she put it inside of a Ziploc bag, but I put it in a container so it won't be sticking all over the Ziploc. But I really like that. Like there's foam inside. Most of my friends love foam. I love foam too. But yeah, it's kind of messy though. Oh, it just went under the table. If you have any triggers and anxiety, don't mind the noise. This next one is this Pug Orbs Buddy. It's so cute. And then this is the lid. Like, I thought you can, like, okay. When I first got this, I thought you have to, like, open, like, the green part. But you're supposed to be opening this. Okay, let's take it out. It hasn't been bad in so long. It never. Because usually, my slime got bad. And that means it gets bad. So, yeah, I got this at Toys R Us. So, yeah, by my grandpa. And the same day I got this and this at Toys R Us. So, yeah. Also, the weird thing about this is whenever you stretch it, it makes a sound. I'll put my Fidget account, TikTok, for my Fidget account. If you want to follow me on TikTok for my Fidget account, I'll put it in the description. This next one is this Galactic Putty Mini Galactic Putty. I don't really know the name of this. Actually, this used to be in multiple different colors, but I mixed it, so. Yeah, it's kind of sucking. It's kind of suck, but it's okay. It's worth it anyways. It's not worth it when it's bad, though. But it's mostly worth it, so. All these slime are worth it. Except one. It's called this Mix and Mash. It was like not even worth it, no. Then we have, is that all my slime, buddy? Oh, I have this super bad slime. The beads come out. So that's what, well, it's over there at the floor. That's why I don't really like beaded slime, so I'll have to throw this away after the video. Oh yeah, I have one more putty. It's hiding in it, like in a little leg my mom got me. There. It's like this glow-in-the-dark putty you get in the dollar store. And I think, yeah. So yeah, I tried it before. It didn't even glow in the dark. So yeah, don't get glow in the dark putties. But if you want them, you don't have to glow them in the dark. You can just, yeah. I don't know how many slimes that I have right now in my fidget box, but now we're gonna go in fidgets. So this fidget is like this little, like I got this squishy poop, unicorn poop. As you can see, there's a unicorn horn. It's so funny, like there's a unicorn horn in it. Yeah. And then I got this like homemade single simple dimple. I got this from like my finger string, and I just like got it. Now it's like homemade simple dimple. So yeah. Next one, I got this Orbeez stress ball. It's like this dog. I would say this Orbeez Dalmatian. And it's like Orbeez. If this pops, I'm gonna get a container and I'm gonna put the Orbeez inside. If I can't fit all of them, it's gonna be okay because I'm going to usually I'm just gonna throw the whole thing away, but keep the Orbeez. But this is so good. Like, I really like this. I really like Orbeez stress balls. And then I have these monkey noodles. They're different colors. We got the pink one. I really like the pink one, but I don't really play with it that much. They're so long too. This green one, I play with this one a lot too. This yellow one, I play with this one too. Not really the pink one though. Orange, play with that one too. And this one, the blue one. It's pretty stretchy. Me and my friend loves them because they're like same size. Are they? Wait. Are they? Wait, hold on. I'm gonna make like a strip. Okay, it's gonna be like that. It's longer than that. Okay, and then we got this yellow one. Add the strip. Oh wait. Add the strip. Looks like doesn't really like go on with the match. This is I would say they're not really the same size because if you can look at this, this is pretty longer than all those. Now I need the green one and the pink one. Yeah, the green one is longer than, wait. The green one is longer than the blue one. Let's see the pink one. The pink, wait. Oh, wait. So the blue one is longer than, yeah, the green. All of them are kind of like the same thing. They're super long, so yeah, stretch. This is like super satisfying. And then I got this remote control. You have to shoot these little things in the rockets. Who gets more famous? you do like this around it, it's kind of hard. Looking really good at it. And then I have this bouncy ball. Got this from my dentist. Reminds me of a fidget toy. And then I got my puppet. Don't mind like the 6 cells, but like, yeah. But, oh, this is the loud side. Then this is the quiet side. each side, no, each like side of like the circles keep on falling off. I don't know why. That's my question. And yeah. And then I have this puzzle ball. I have this other piece. I can't really put it back in. Like, I don't really know how to put it back in. So, yeah. Oh, because you can't. Oh. Okay. You have to stretch this buddy out to put it in. You have to, okay, so this is how you do it. So you have to take the white part, do that to make some room for this little guy, and go through. And it should be in. Like, stretch it more, buddy. No, you literally clicked yourself. I think you do that. No, don't click it. I'm right now struggling, so, yeah. Wait, or maybe it's like, oh! You click it like that way. I was actually doing it backwards. So I had to like click it the back. Smart though. Now I have the puzzle ball back on. And then I have this tiny needle ball. I have the giant one. I had the giant one, but it popped, so yeah. There was 2 more, but the other ones popped, so yeah. These types. But they're so good, they're like globbles. I have 1 globble left. Let's try this. Well, it never even stuck. I might have to wash them, that's why. I might have to wash some of my fidgets, so yeah. Yeah, and then I have all of these bangles. They're not considered as a fidget, but like, I play with them. These are all of them. Pink one, pink, blue, 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 pink, purple, 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 purple. So now we just have to put them in. Whoa. Okay, put them in a pile. Took them out of the packet, so now they're just like running around. Okay, and then I have Fruit Neatos. I totally recommend these. This is the orange one. I haven't seen these before, but a bunch of people have them, and I got them. Actually, I feel like I was the first person that had these. Because I didn't see anyone have one of these before. And then, like, I feel like we're the first countries that have these types. Or, like, yeah. And then I have the strawberry. This is kind of, like, stiff. But it's like fun. There's like the leaf. It's a needle. It says needle every single time. Needle. And needle. Here's the banana. I really like this one. I like this one the best. Me and my mom love this. It's supposed to be stretchy, but like I'm scared it's gonna pop, so it's good it's gonna pop. So yeah, I really like it. Oh god, I can't even go over it. And then I have this Rubik's Cube. It's flat though. Wow, just mixed up the reds. And then I have this brain teaser. I put it in a Ziploc bag because it has 2 beads, 2 circles. Basically, you have to put these 2 circles in, and then it will come out here. You just have to keep on shaking it until it comes out here. And I'm not really gonna play with it like this, because I'm scared the balls are gonna get like lost. So I'm not gonna do anything about that. But I put it in a Ziploc bag because just for the balls to be safe. And then I have this frog. It's supposed to be sticking to your window, but I don't want to. But yeah, super touchy. And then I have, dirty lizard. Okay, I'm not going to show it, but there it is. Sticky lizard. It's dirty though, so I might have to clean that for the video. And then I have, I don't know what it's supposed to be, but like, y'all, it's okay. Just trying to take off. So here it is. It's this little rainbow. This stress ball popped, but that's okay. And then I have these 2 spiky balls. This one's like good for texture. It doesn't bounce. This one bounces. My grandma loves this one. Yeah. This one. It's good for your hands. And it also lights up. Yeah. And then I have this finger string. Wait. It came with this. It was like inside. Wait. It was like inside, like strapped up. But like I made it as a homemade simple dimple, so yeah, it's like rainbow. I don't really know what to do with it. Just got it. Push my chair before I fall. And then I have this fart machine. Look at the cough. Ew. Okay, yeah. And then I have this, like, I call them, yeah, I call them cherries. But, like, they're called dumb chucks. They say right there. So basically you have to hold this. Catch, oh my god. Catch this. And then you have to bring down the other one. I consider this a fidget, so yeah, it's super fun. And then I have the super duper gross slime. I forgot. This was in the slime pile. Ew. I really need to get rid of that. So I'm going to get rid of them right now.
Kailan ang pajama day nila?
25th. So, yeah, those are all my fidgets. Bye. Bye, fidgets.